evening, whoops, not again. Okay, good evening to the crypto community. This is Cali Crypto 209 with another update for the cryptocurrency markets. Now, what an interesting turn of events have happened here recently with DogeCoin. Fully unexpected price actions that we have been experiencing. DogeCoin is right below 65 cents. The all-time high was 69, nearly hitting 69.69 for DogeCoin. I'm just still fully surprised by what has happened. I've just been invested in DogeCoin that so long that for me to see DogeCoin at 65 cents, I'm just so relieved, so enthusiastic, so happy that I'm here in this moment now. This is just going to be a moment to remember, not only in history, as I'm still shouting out for Netflix to make that documentary for DogeCoin. So shout out to Netflix. You definitely need to hop on that DogeCoin documentary. Well, yeah, DogeCoin's at 65 cents. Bitcoin isn't doing too bad either. Bitcoin is at 57,000, just over 57,000. We were having a little more selling pressure for Bitcoin, around $55,000, but it is still looking really good for the crypto markets, as we are in the green for the crypto markets, and I hope your portfolios are in the green as well. I think that's the most important part, is that your portfolios are in the green, because I've just been waiting so long. I've been holding my DogeCoin for so long, and it's so funny, like, now that DogeCoin is, like, popular and everything, you know, like, regular YouTubers who didn't used to talk about DogeCoin, now all they do is, well, and I'm not going to say all they do, but now since everyone is covering DogeCoin, it's gotten really popular. So now the popular YouTubers are of course going to talk about DogeCoin and let everyone know how great DogeCoin actually is. Ethereum did make another all-time high, I believe, or it was just 3,500. So Ethereum did make 3,500, well over my price projection for Ethereum. I said 3,000 pretty soon, but Ethereum did 3,500, which is still quite unimaginable in this moment, because I just can remember, like, just looking back at, like, all the prices. And I know I downed Bitcoin Cash too. I did down Bitcoin Cash. I own Bitcoin Cash, but I actually sold it a while back, and we'll get into that. But I'm not afraid of taking profits. I'm definitely not scared if I'm, you know, up a lot, which I was up a lot on my DogeCoin. So I did liquidate a portion of my position, but I am still holding a lot of DogeCoin, and hopefully soon now I will have to be buying back in my position to continue the DogeCoin train. This just gotten so much more exciting and fun. Like, I think I was excited when DogeCoin was at 5 cents, and now I'm even more excited that it's at 65 cents. And yeah, we're holding at 65 cents right now for DogeCoin, which is quite interesting. I think the correction back down we had was like 53 cents or 52 cents was that correction we had down. Now, I think that was just a very, very small breather. I was still hoping for sub 40 cent price value in order to get back in on a nice amount of DogeCoin, but DogeCoin just continues to look bullish, which is just very, very exciting for the crypto markets, as we're ranked number 4 cryptocurrency in the entire cryptocurrency market. First, like, I thought it was funny when we had actually made it to 7, and then after DogeCoin made it to rank 7, we made it to 6, and then 5, and now DogeCoin is ranked number 4 cryptocurrency out of a lot of other cryptocurrencies that still can be argued they have a a team behind it, and they're building upon what's going on, or who's actually using it and utilizing the crypto currency. But Dogecoin is just not going to stop, and the help from Elon Musk is just like even more the excitement for Dogecoin. We literally have been in the green. Like, I've been steadily waiting to buy more Dogecoin, but we have not made it back down below like 50 cents even. I was hoping for like below 40 cents to make a nice entry, but we didn't even get below 50 cents, which is really, really interesting. But overall, the crypto markets are looking very nice, as if you are well diversified into plenty of other altcoins, you would be hopefully up on your investment. Cardano ADA is trying to push back up at $1.48, doing really nice. I am invested in Cardano ADA. I did actually let some of my Cardano go a while back, but I actually sold Dogecoin with what I had got from Cardano, because I think I bought in at like $1, and then it went up to like 148, but we're basically back to 148. So I mean, that's what happens within the crypto markets. They definitely keep moving, as Dogecoin has continued to move, and showed me otherwise that we have become important. Dogecoin is an important cryptocurrency, probably as important as Bitcoin, just because of the news coverage and how awesome Dogecoin is. Like, Dogecoin is wonderful, and I know a lot of people still wondering, where should I buy in? Should I buy in? I still think things are pretty out of the way right now. I think things are still, a little scary. But we're still looking really good. Like, Dogecoin is above 60 cents, and if you had just been following me a month ago, you would have saw how excited I was back then for Dogecoin, just at 5 cents. I was super excited, and we were only at 5 cents, and now Dogecoin is at 65 cents, which is just truly amazing to behold what is happening right now. I think the other, it was Bitcoin Cash. I was saying I did sell my Bitcoin Cash, but that was like way back when Bitcoin Cash was at $600, I think we had made it to, and I think I got in at like 4 or 5, I think it was. I got in like, a little earlier, but I did actually sell my Bitcoin Cash and my Ethereum Classic, which is just crazy because Ethereum Classic made it to $150, I think it was, for Ethereum Classic. Yeah, I made it like over $150, which is just crazy because I did hold Ethereum Classic, and that was a long time ago too, and I bought it for like $7, and I had a few Ethereum Classic, and that just goes to show you how having diamond hands definitely does help your portfolios in the long run. But I definitely needed to get some of those Dogecoins out, because I have invested quite a lot into Dogecoin. I think it wasn't too much. It wasn't as much as my Bitcoin, because I was just following all these other YouTubers and what they were talking about, and I should not have been doing that, because I probably would have been a Dogecoin millionaire like all of these other people who have just, went all in on Dogecoin. And I definitely would have went all in on Dogecoin, but it's okay. You cannot look back on the past. You just have to keep pushing forward, and I'm definitely going to dollar cost average back into Dogecoin when we have a nice correction back. The little fall down to 52 cents was not really a nice buying area for me, but it would have been a nice pickup for for like people who are just or were asking, you know, what's a good entry for Dogecoin. That correction we had down to 52 cents. That would have been the perfect pickup, as we are 12, 13, nearly 13 cents at 65 cents up from that correction we had earlier. I think it was today. Yeah, earlier today. But that was just a cool breather. That was not a nice retracement. Just like I still have that chart up. I've been looking for a different chart to put up, but my YouTube channel is growing. So the likes and the subscriptions do help as my channel continues to grow, and then I can update my my computer system. So we're hoping for me, Cali Crypto, to get a nice desktop computer, and I don't know where I'm going to set it up, but I'm going to find a place to set that up, as it might take up a bit more room than anticipated. But it's okay, because I love Dogecoin that much, so I'll definitely have to get a nice desktop computer with my gains from the crypto markets. Now, as I was on Blue Hair Dave, shout out to Blue Hair Dave. I was on Blue Hair Dave's channel, which was really fun. I think I just could not stop talking. That's why it's good I have my own channel, because like I can just keep on talking, and hopefully people who are interested will continue to listen. But anyways, shout out to Blue Hair Dave. So happy you had me on your live stream. It was really fun talking about Dogecoin with you, and we actually made an all-time high while I was talking to Blue Hair Dave just yesterday. That was. So I actually was not live streaming. I only live stream Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays if I can. You know, if I'm not working or doing too much. But this Friday, actually, I don't know if I might live stream, I might not. But it's just going to be really busy this Friday, as I have been out working again, and this stuff with the pandemic is hopefully starting to die down a bit. So it looks as though things are starting to open up. So that's pretty good for the crypto market and the stock market in general. I know we did have a little bit of a pullback in the stock market, which I'm so happy. I, you know, basically liquidated most of my positions in the stock market and put it into Dogecoin at that time. And that was actually at like I tweeted about it like a long time ago, and I said I should buy more Dogecoin, like, you know, with the money I have, and we were at like 12 cents back then, and I actually did. I bought more Dogecoin back then, so I've just been steadily accumulating Dogecoin since a long time ago. I do think I can hold the title of a veteran, as I was buying Dogecoin below a penny, believing in the project, or cryptocurrency. It's not really a project, but it's a cryptocurrency. I was believing in the cryptocurrency Dogecoin for quite some time now, and I'm just really happy to be here with everyone who is so excited about cryptocurrency and investing, as everyone should be excited to make money. Like, you're not taught about your finances, which is just crazy, you know, in school and stuff. But I mean, if you actually pursue a what do you call it, a career in finance or what have you, then yeah, you'll be learning about, you know, specific things, but you don't really learn about how to handle money, how to handle what we hold value for. You don't really learn about that as you're growing up. I mean, you learn about it going, you know, to the, or seeing the ice cream man pass by, and you buy ice cream when you're young. Oh, I miss the days where the ice cream truck would pass by, and we would buy ice cream, and it was a hot day, and, you know, ice cream just came to you. You didn't even have to do anything. I loved those years when we were all younger. Seems like time has just flown past, and it's going to continue flying past with Dogecoin still at 64 cents right now. I continue to call out for Netflix or any filmmakers out there who are, you know, film tech savvy with making documentaries or like movies or something. because I would love to be in a Dogecoin, documentary. That would just be a dream of mine. That would be so fun because like I've been here since the beginning, and I'm going to continue my progression in the crypto markets and of course Dogecoin. And it's funny because at the time when Dogecoin made it to 69 cents, okay, my holdings for Dogecoin surpassed the dollar amount that I'm holding for Bitcoin, which was just crazy. Like I lost my mind for a sec because I was like, wait, did it really just say that for a sec? You know, my portfolios were just a lot at the moment, and I didn't sell any Dogecoin at 69 cents. I'm refusing to sell now because I actually hopped out at too early. I don't even want to say, like, I just feel like a little dumb of myself for jumping out as early as I did, but let's just say we were about half the way where we are now, so you can do the math there and figure out where I actually exited my position. It wasn't my full position, but it was nearly half, so it was about a third of my actual Dogecoin that I did let go, but I'm not disappointed in it. I will be holding that capital to the side, waiting for a nice correction and pullback on Dogecoin. I think we do still have downside. Now, do keep that in mind. Corrections happen within the crypto markets, and it's really nice to have a pullback on that cryptocurrency so you can find a consolidation area to trade around, you know, for at least, you know, 2, 3, 1 week, 2 weeks, if you do have a, you know, pretty hard correction. But Dogecoin has just pulled itself back every single time. Every single time Dogecoin has, those whales have tried to pull Dogecoin back down, they definitely found a nice support level, and that buying pressure stepped in for Dogecoin. I did not catch that dip on 52 cents. I was out working and just trying to make money to dollar cost average. I'm fully okay with buying back in Dogecoin at this higher price value. I've been buying Dogecoin at 1 cent, 5 cents, 7 cents. I'm going to continue buying Dogecoin as I continue to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum and most of the other cryptocurrencies that I'm interested in investing into. Well, as you can see, not much news today as I've just been out and about. The markets have just been moving so fast that I haven't had time to catch up on the news. But it's okay. It's okay because Dogecoin is at 64 cents. So that's the news there. I think that's all the news we need. The main reason for this is most likely Elon Musk, and it's just so funny every time I'm out like on the road doing something and I see a Tesla car. I always think of Elon Musk, and then I think of Dogecoin because of course Elon Musk and Teslas. So Dogecoin just pops in my head again, so I can never Hector the Dude, hello, did I miss your comment? Hector the Dude, I'm sorry. Hector the Dude, I only have Bitcoin 1% and Dogecoin 99%. Hector the Dude, shout out to Hector the Dude. Hector the Dude has been watching me for some time now through the live streams and through the winter storms of Dogecoin being around 5 cents. So shout out to you, Hector the Dude. So happy to have you on Cali Crypto 209 as I have grown a lot since Hector the Dude actually was watching me way back when. So thank you so much, Hector the Dude, for your support on YouTube. I do have a Discord too. I think I posted it in one of my videos or something, so it should be sorry, I'm pretty thirsty. The markets are just like, they've surprised me, and I've second guessed selling my cryptocurrency once again. I'm just going to continue to do what I did before and just dollar cost average and keep on purchasing as much as I can. But overall, the markets are still looking nice. Bitcoin was still right below 57,000, which is good. I did mention that before. DogeCoin's price value surpassed that of my holding of Bitcoin, and it made me rethink the crypto markets, as I was taught otherwise about Dogecoin, but as time has proved everyone wrong, Dogecoin making a ranking of number 4 cryptocurrency in the entire market still. The market cap, I think it was like over $70 billion for Dogecoin. Now you have news channels, like regular news channels, talking about cryptocurrency, talking about Dogecoin specifically, and that just helps to get the word out of what Dogecoin is and what cryptocurrency is in general. And we also do have the other exchange, eToro. I actually do not have an eToro account. Hopefully that'll be another platform that I can add to my to all of my other platforms. What really surprised me was that, sorry, I'm just so thirsty. Yeah, so if you did not pick up Dogecoin at 52 cents, that definitely was your entry. I'm sorry. Oh, it seems like I haven't talked all day, but I think talking on Blue Hair Dave yesterday, I was like talking for his entire live stream. I like overtook his channel, which I felt so bad for. Like, I just could not stop talking. But shout out to Blue Hair Dave and Broker and all you on there. Just so much support from the Dogecoin community. I'm just so happy to have come on Blue Hair Dave's live stream. That was just so much fun. He has a much bigger audience than I do, but I'm not discouraged at all, as I'm still in the beginning stages of the crypto markets, and we're just going to continue growing from here, as well as our portfolios. So yeah, Dogecoin is at 83 billion right now. So 83 billion. 83 billion. I'm just I'm still soaking in what has happened. As you can see, it's just like the crypto markets move faster than I thought. I know they move fast, but I didn't think they'd be moving this fast, and it's looking really nice. It's looking really nice. I'm going to be very excited when the day comes Dogecoin is at $1, as we are nearly 35 cents away from Dogecoin being at $1. So it just looks like more and more possible for Dogecoin to make $1. 69 cents, that was basically 70 cents. So we were 30 cents away from $1. You could say. I know this is just help from big companies, Slim Jim and Snickers, I think, was even getting in. I heard some kind of news about Snickers. There's just so much going on. You cannot keep up with everything happening, especially with Dogecoin. And it outperforming Bitcoin over the last month and a half, basically. Let me see what I can pull up here, and we can go over. Yes, again, Doge Democracy is not joining me today. He had some personal matters to take care of, so hopefully Doge Democracy can come back on the live stream with me on Friday. If I do actually do a live stream on Friday, I just have a lot to do now, and the markets just keep on moving. Like, I did not think that DogeCoin was going to come this far, and if I had known that DogeCoin was going to have this nice run up, I think in my own fault, I should have waited until excuse me, I should have waited until SNL stopped, and then if I had waited until after Saturday Night Live and Elon Musk, then I think I would have been a little more happy. I'm still happy, but I think I would have been a little more happy, as I did lose out on, nearly almost double of what I could have had had I exited my position at the right time. But I'm fully prepared to still hold my DogeCoin until $1, and I'm going to continue holding. And if we make it up to $1, I'll even buy DogeCoin at $1. It'll be just a dream come true to actually purchase DogeCoin at $1, as that would just indicate that DogeCoin is going to continue moving forward. I don't think if we make it to $1, I think DogeCoin is going to continue going well past $1, which is awesome to see. I told my family about investing, and a lot of people still are not interested or just very, into investing. So for those of you who are, and you have the correct platform to purchase DogeCoin, I know I have named my Binance.us account. I have a Voyager. I did open up my Voyager. I might actually open up my wallet, so hopefully I can get some donations when my channel starts to grow a little further. But I'm definitely looking forward to what's going to happen, not only with DogeCoin, but with the crypto markets in general, as the Bitcoin Cash, again, just is outshowing everyone above $1,300, I think it was. So here's one article. I'll try to put a little bit of news into my live stream. As DogeCoin extends record rise, Galaxy's Novogratz is dangerous. Galaxy's Novogratz says it's dangerous being a speculator in the crypto, which everyone is still going to talk negatively about DogeCoin, which in turn is just going to help that market cap continue to grow, because the smart money is just going to be secretly buying DogeCoin, even possibly at 64 cents, because they can just see or they have inside knowledge about what's going to be happening. We do still have those whale wallets. I know I definitely wish I was a whale wallet at this moment for DogeCoin, because even back when DogeCoin was at 5 cents, these whale wallets still had billions of DogeCoin. So just think about how much those wallets are worth now. It's just, it's wonderful to think about, and I'm so excited that everyone who invested in a DogeCoin has made a return back, because we definitely deserve a return back on our investment, because we believed in DogeCoin and DogeCoin believed in us, and it definitely returned the favor of us believing so much in that certain cryptocurrency. I've been getting a lot of ads from Brave, so shout out to Brave and the basic attention token. I've been stacking up my my basic attention token on the Brave browser, and I did make an Uphold wallet so I can transfer my basic attention token out of like the online browsing thing and I can send it to my Uphold wallet. So I have an Uphold wallet, a Voyager account, Robinhood still, and Robinhood, when they said they were having maintenance when the price of Dogecoin went up, I just do not believe it. I do not believe it one bit. I'm sure they just did not want to pay people who were holding Dogecoin for so long all of that money. So I definitely released some of my Dogecoin back at the right moment because, well, probably not at the right moment because I guess I still could have let it go now and I would have been up a lot, but I did let some out of my wallet, but it's okay. I'm just going to continue adding to my position as time goes on, which I'm very excited to do that. I think I will never fully stop investing into the cryptocurrency markets unless, like, I just have no more income coming in. Then I might be stopped from investing more into the crypto markets, but I'm definitely going to continue dollar cost averaging into my favorite cryptocurrencies. Well, let's check back. Oh wait, I was reading that article. Look, see, I just get so off topic sometimes. I do apologize. Okay, no regrets. No regrets. Yes. Here we go. Sorry about that. It is dangerous. Oh, it is dangerous being a speculator in Bitcoin, long or short, of course. He told Market Watch, it is a dangerous buying and a danger. Betting against Dogecoin, you could lose a lot of money, which you do not do. You do not want to bet against Dogecoin. You do not want to make a short position on Dogecoin because hopefully Dogecoin will kick you out and continue to rise up in price. It said investors in Dogecoin felt it is worth pointing out that the asset is probably trading at a 190% volatility. I was on Blue Hair Dave's channel. Shout out to Blue Hair Dave once again, and I kept pointing that out. Excuse me. I kept pointing that out that right now that Dogecoin is on an all-time high, we're going to be much more volatile than we usually are, as I would love for Dogecoin to be at 5 cents again, as I most likely would sell everything I have and put it all into Dogecoin if Dogecoin was at 5 cents, because I just believe in it going much further than where it currently is. That said, the chief executive of digital merchant bank Galaxy Digital said that he didn't want to discredit investors in Dogecoin, but felt it is worth pointing out that the asset is probably trading. Oh wait, I already said that. Yeah, a 190% volatility. Okay, so I'm just rereading it. Just refreshing your mind. Novarat's chief executive of the digital merchant bank Galaxy Digital. A world in which interest rates are nearly zero or below have emboldened investing in the crypto sector and prompted a speculative fervor in the digital assets like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and the stock GameStop and AMC, of course. I'm still holding my AMC, so shout out to the AMC crew. I'm still holding strong on my AMC. And I actually bought Dogecoin. This is so funny. I bought Dogecoin on Webull. I should have bought it right after they had listed it as a trading, because I would have been up by a lot had I purchased it at that time. But I did purchase Dogecoin on Webull, and I'm up on my investment for Dogecoin, which I think I put in like $20, and I've already made back double that. I made back like another $20, so I'm still holding Dogecoin here and there, but my main wallets where I can actually receive and send out Dogecoin, I do still have two different or three different wallets for my DogeCoin. Now, there was a time where I did not have no wallet address for my DogeCoin, believe it or not. Now I have DogeCoin on three different wallet addresses, which is truly a monumental moment for the investment world. It's cryptocurrency is much faster than stocks, so I think the young people are definitely going to hop on the movement of cryptocurrency because it just moves so much faster than the stock market. So it's just going to continue that fast movement, being that the stock market would never have given me over 500% return on my investment, unless I was holding like AMC or GME when GME was at like $50 or something, and you know I had bought like a whole bunch of GME. I'm still holding my GME too, actually. So shout out to the AMC and GME crew, as I still like my stocks. Don't get me wrong. I did sell some of my stocks to buy in more cryptocurrency. As you can see, cryptocurrency definitely thanked me for doing that. Okay, look, I cannot even get through one article. Like, I'm telling you, if you're enjoying Gracey209, thank you so much for staying tuned to the markets, as every little bit of information helps. So I'm definitely excited when I get my new desktop computer, and things will look a lot better, and I can make my movements on the chart and everything, so that should be really interesting. Or hopefully I can just hire somebody to do it for me, so that should be nice. But I do have my co-host, There's Democracy. Hopefully one day we can work out the technicals, if like you can control the technicals from like far away. I don't know if you can even do that, but we'll see. Well, okay, back to the article. Dogecoin's parabolic rise is drawing both applause and apprehension, as its supporters aim to drive the parity coin to a value of near $1, with critics warning that the asset bears all the hallmarks of an asset bubble that is bound to pop and leave carnage in its wake. I don't agree with that, as if you had invested at DogeCoin at like 27 cents, which we were at like 20 cents for like a good while, and you know a lot of people were getting excited about DogeCoin at like 20 cents. Excuse me. So if you had bought in at 20 cents, you basically nearly tripled your money had you jumped in at 20 cents. And I've been in DogeCoin way before that, so yeah, it's not going to pop. DogeCoin is not a bubble. I'm sorry, I'm so thirsty. I'm just really excited to see where DogeCoin's going to go. Too excited. I actually don't think I'm excited enough, as if I had another $10,000 to put into DogeCoin, I kid you not, I probably would put another $10,000 or $10,000 into DogeCoin. But I can work my way up there and just dollar cost average with $20 or $50 anytime I have some extra capital around. My phone hasn't been charging for some reason. I'm not sure why. I might have to go and buy another phone. But that's not too bad, because I know there's some nice fancy phones out there. Okay, gains in traditional assets have been pedestrian, set against Dogecoin, of course, still up hundreds of percents. Gold futures are down 6%. I actually didn't know that, as I haven't been keeping up on the news. So gold futures are actually down 6%. So far this year, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P are up by 11%. I know the S&P was running. It made it over 400, and we were doing pretty good for the S&P, and then we had that spike up to 510, and I mean 410, and then the S&P went to 417, I think it was, for the S&P. So yeah, the stock market is doing okay, along with having those nice corrections for the stock market as well. But it seems as though the stock markets are volatile with cryptocurrency too. So you can't say that. Oh, Jay, I caught your comment. Hello, Jay. Thank you for joining me. Yes, Jay, you've been following me for so long. Hector the Dude has been following me for so long, and I hope you guys were definitely rewarded for holding your DogeCoin out for so long, as we are ready to go to the moon. I think DogeCoin has made it to the moon, but it looks as though we're going to continue going even further than the moon, possibly to Mars or Pluto as a landing area. But shout out to Jay, one of my all-time followers since I started investing into the crypto markets and making videos on YouTube. That kind of just took off after a while. Hopefully I can continue to make videos on YouTube, and I'll get enough subscriptions and everything so I can start actually monetizing my YouTube channel. But we're still new. Jay, yeah, you're on the moon. I'm on the moon too. Like, I'm just I'm so fortunate right now to be in the moment I am right now. I'm just I was doing the right thing. I was buying DogeCoin. I was buying Bitcoin as well, which for every $20 that I was putting into DogeCoin, I was putting $100 into Bitcoin, which I should have been doing the opposite. But as I said, you cannot turn back. You just have to continue moving forward, continue making better decisions, and hopefully our portfolios will be thanking us for making those right decisions. So had I put every 100 I was putting in Bitcoin into DogeCoin, I would have been really happy with myself. But I'm still happy with myself holding the amount of DogeCoin I'm holding, and I'm going to continue trying to buy back my full position, as I was up in the 10,000 coin range. So I did let go of quite a few DogeCoin at a pretty early price value, but we're pushing forward. We're definitely pushing forward for DogeCoin, and I'm diamond handing the rest of what I'm holding. So right now, the markets are not too bad. Bitcoin is right behind $55,000 right now at 54.8. Dogecoin is at 64 cents, right above 64 cents. And I think Dogecoin should be making 69 quite soon, as we are right next to the all-time high. I'm still shocked that Dogecoin is above 60 cents, above 50 cents, anything above 15 cents. I'm just fully excited for DogeCoin and where we are going to continue going. It's just truly amazing to behold. I'm speechless. As you can see, I have completely lost words. Oh, Jay, yes, I'm on ETH as well. Yes, I'm on ETH, and I do have it in my BlockFi. So that Ethereum is gaining interest for me leaving my Ethereum in my BlockFi account. So I'm definitely happy that I purchased cryptocurrencies at such an early price value, and I've been holding ever since, which I'm very excited, and I'm going to continue purchasing more and see where we end up from there. Jay, shout out to Jay again. Thank you so much, Jay, for joining me. I know I don't have Doge Democracy with me today, and things are just a little more boring as Doge Democracy does live in Gracey209, and he does give a lot of entertainment to my live stream. So I'm definitely looking forward to have Doge Democracy back on the live stream once again. So with that said, Jay, thank you so much again for joining me. With that said, closing things out, DogeCoin at 63 cents, right above. I think the next levels we should be hitting are 65 cents as a nice consolidation area, and 69 cents leading up to Saturday in SNL. DogeCoin should be popping 75, hopefully 80 cents. Who knows? We might even make it to $1 for one DogeCoin, which is it's truly amazing. So again, if you are not on the DogeCoin train, it is not too late to buy your tickets. As we're going to the moon. We're going to the moon. So thank you for joining me, and I hope to see you soon for the crypto markets. This is Gracey209 signing out. Thank you so much for joining me.